My name's Amy from Vanlux, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2016 Ford Transit Custom Camper. This vehicle has done just under 82,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a diesel fuel type. As we step inside, we can see our first double bed, which from the pictures also doubles up as 2 belted seats, making this camper 4 belts, 4 berth. We also have our foldable table, and again from the pictures we can see that this provides us with a dining area. We have lots of storage above as well as below. To the left of our steering wheel we have cruise control as a feature, and to the right we have voice control. Moving on to our screen, using the buttons just below, we can access CD, radio, aux,
Georgia, we're talking about the extraordinary case of GSM
and menu. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it also comes with parking sensors. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.